In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run R program in Visual Studio Code. By the end, you'll have Visual Studio Code set up with the R tools you need so you can work comfortably with R right inside your editor. Start by opening Visual Studio Code on your computer. Give it a moment to load so everything in the interface is ready. If you've just installed VS Code or haven't opened it in a while, don't worry. What we're doing today works the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. The key is simply having the editor open and visible on your screen. Next, look to the left sidebar for the extensions view. It's the icon that looks like four squares or blocks arranged together. Click that to open the extensions panel. This is where you can add capabilities to VS Code. Extensions are packaged features that plug into the editor, and for R, the extension you install adds language awareness, code features, and helpful integrations so you can write and run R code smoothly. With the extensions panel open, click into the search bar at the top and type the single letter R. You'll see a list of results populate beneath it. The list may include themes, snippets, and tools for related technologies, but we're interested in the main R extension that provides language support. Take a second to read the short description so you can confirm you're looking at the core R tooling rather than a theme or a tutorial pack. Click the R extension in the list to open its details page, then click Install. You'll see a progress indicator while VS Code downloads and sets up the extension. Depending on your connection, this may take a few moments. If you're prompted to reload the editor afterward, go ahead and let it reload so the extension activates fully. When installation is complete, the Install button will change to show that it's now part of your setup. From here, VS Code gains R language features such as syntax support and commands designed to help you work with R files more effectively. That's it. You've opened Visual Studio Code, navigated to the extensions view, searched for R, and installed the R extension. This simple setup is the foundation for running R programs inside VS Code. With the R tools in place, you're ready to open your R scripts, take advantage of the language features, and streamline your workflow in one editor. If you ever need to revisit or update the extension, return to the extensions panel, and you can manage it from there. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with R in Visual Studio Code.